Let's create this junk journal together. Hi, this is Mel from MelPinkBuJo. But first for the flip through. This is the front with a self-made journaling card onto it, the binding and the back. Here are the charms. So let's open this up. In the front cover there is an acetate pocket. Most of the journaling cards are handmade. There are fold-out pages, fabric ruffles, printables, book pages, stamps, tea-dyed and fabric color-dyed papers, a bit of sewing, pockets and tuck spots, stamping, coloring book pages, a fabric flip as a hidden journaling space, a self-made paper flower, a waterfall notepad. I will link the video to the creating process down below in the info box. You can sew a piece of fabric right onto the page just for more interest. There is an envelope with some little cards in it, more fabric flaps, wrapping paper, and another acetate pocket in the back of the journal. So now for the creating process. You need 2 pieces of cardboard for your cover, for example from food packaging, some fabric or felt, this is from an old placemat. Then you sandwich your felt into the 2 pieces of cardboard. You can glue them together or sew around. I sewed the spine as well. Then you wrap your cover into some fabric and cover the inside with some scrapbooking paper and glue it on, or, as I did, sew it on in one go. Use some clips to make it all stay in place. Then take your eyelet pliers and punch a hole through the spine and set your eyelet for the charms. For the closure, use some ribbon, punch holes into the middle of the front and back cover and set eyelets there too. Then bind your ribbon into. For the acetate pockets, I used a strong acetate from a notepad I bought and cut it to size and rounded the corners. You can scrapbooking paper or fabric as well. Sew or glue the pockets pieces into the cover. I doubled up the knots of my ribbon closure so that it cannot go anywhere. You can decorate your front cover further with some journaling cards or book plates as focal point. Put some books onto while drying. Now for the signatures. Assemble your pages in the order you like them. Use some paper clips to make them stay in place. Create a template for the holes. Punch the holes into your spine and into your signatures. Use an embroidery floss or waxed cord 3 lengths the size of your journal, or 6 lengths the size is added here when you double your thread up. Bind in your signatures, starting in the middle hole for the first signature from the inside to the outside. Leave a little tail hanging from the inside, then go to one hole on the top or the bottom, through the last hole and again back to the middle hole, and tie a very good knot. Repeat the steps for the other signatures. If you used a not waxed cord as I did here, it can tangle easily, so be careful. Remove the paper clips, and that's it. You can embellish your journal further using some journaling tags and other stuff. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more junk journal videos. Bye!